Hi, it's Ann Page, and check this out. I finally created some boom cards. I'm really loving them, and this one is for free. So it's an adaptation of the in-book, which I've had. It's like been a bestseller on in my TPT store for the last 3 years. So I adapted it for Boom. So check it out. I wanted to show you so that you could get it and then give me some feedback and let me know how you're liking it, if you would change anything. All right, so here we go. Where is the cookie? And you could model if you're doing this via teletherapy. You could be modeling for the word where, depending on if that's what you're working on. I know it's hard with these little tiny squares with Zoom, but did you know you can make yourself bigger? Like you can just you pull down the corner. There you go. So if you were just getting started, then you could point to this, especially so that the communication partner, I am so bad at going back and forth. There we go. So the communication partner could see where it's at, where, kind of weird that you can't see me there. Where is the cookie? And then you pick it here. Yes. And then I would make myself smaller, I think, once they know where it is. But basically, on this one, we are just working on, I am just focusing on the word in, which I put the little square over here. And then it matches with, if you're using my core board, it matches with in, or, sorry, wrong way, in. Or if you're just working on that concept, then I have the little visual for it over here to the right. Okay, let me make myself smaller. There we go. So where is the cookie? The cookie is in the cup. So we're going to take the cookie and put it in the cup. Yay! Where is the cookie? We get to find it. Yes, and you're going to reinforce it. Yes, it was in the basket. Can we put the cookie in the basket? Yes. So it keeps going like that. Where is the cookie? The cookie. Put the cookie in the doghouse. And then see how you kind of get that little lavender in the background so you know where to put it. So because you can't put it up here or it won't work. Or if it's over here, it's not going to work. It has to go in that little, and that's like a nice little cheat for you. Yes. And maybe you wouldn't share the what do you call it? Oh my gosh, sorry, I'm having word finding issues. You wouldn't share the mouse until you were ready. Where is the cookie? And then you could hold on to it, and before you could do a little bit more talking, and instead of just making it so automatic. The cookie is in the glass. Can you put the cookie in the glass? Let's put the cookie in the glass. Because remember, we're not teaching the word cookie, we are teaching the word in, and then getting cookie is just like a little bonus fringe word. So let me know what you think. This is free in Boom Learning, and I haven't put it in TPT yet because I don't know how to do that yet. I'm figuring it out as I go, but go and grab it and let me know what you think of it. I think it could be a really fun feature, and I'm going to make some more for some more core words. So find more ideas like this here on Instagram or on my YouTube channel. And then remember, I still have AAC at home too, if you want to sign up for that. The link is in my bio, and I have my new AAC Jumpstart class. It's open for another week. So go and check that out. I'll be giving you lots of tips like this within that class if you want to take a deeper dive and learn more about AAC. All right, until next time, guys. If you like this video, please like it and share it, and give me a comment on it and let me know what you think. All right, thank you.